All right, this is question number 1 from the tree diagram homework in 11.4. We are trying to figure out the probability of winning. So kind of what happens is it might snow or it might not snow, and then their chance of winning is better if it doesn't snow. Okay, so I guess the first thing is to realize don't just add the 40 and 70% chance, because that's over 100% chance to win, which doesn't make any sense. All right, so really there's only 4 paths. It can snow and you win, snow and you lose, no snow and win, or no snow and lose, right? So all of our probability, 100% is added up in these dots on the end, okay? And the trick is to realize that here you don't win 40% of the time. It snows 50% time, and then you win 40%. So of the 50% of the time it snows, you win 40%. So you got to do 50% of 40%, right, which is 20%. Okay, so overall, in the 100% of the scenarios, 20% fall down this path, snowing and winning. Okay, and so all you really need to do is add this dot with the other winning dot. All right, so if we fill this in, this is 50% no snow. You know, if it snowed 50% of the time, then it didn't snow the other 50%. So this winning dot is just 50% times 70%, and that gets you 35% of the overall probabilities, of the 100% probabilities, right? And so then from here, we're basically done. Our chances of winning are just add these two dots together. So 20% up here and 35% here. So our overall chance to win is 55%, which you can enter that way, or you can enter it as just 55 or 55 with the percent symbol. However you want to do it should work just fine. All right, thanks for watching.